The following contest is a six-man tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 275 pounds, the Tornado, Kerry Van Erich.
A matchup like this, it's one that the locker room has wanted to see. It's one that the WWE Universe has wanted to see. It's one that I've been waiting to see, and it's about to go down.
And from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 203 pounds, Mike Don Eric.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh?
That's what they're doing right now, Corey.
Well, good. Let's see what they've got then. This match has everyone backstage buzzing. He is an exciting competitor to watch.
And from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 235 pounds, David Don Eric.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is going to be good.
This is a match he's craved for quite some time. He's ready and raring to go.
And at a combined weight of 762 pounds, Alexander Wolf, Volter, and Fabian Aichner, Imperium!
So many memorable factions in the history of sports entertainment. If you ask me, this group could very well join that Mount Rushmore. The ring is packed with two big teams in this tornado tag match.
Plenty of opponents to worry about, but you've got plenty of allies. It's all about which side can work together best.
This is not going to end well.
Release back suplex.
Evades their offense.
A weakening arm breaker. Oh, my right. And quickly, the cover. Just sending a message there. Referee breaks the count. Looks like a rope break.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
The follow-away slam. Getting him into the corner.
This is just brute power.
Goodness, absolute dominance.
Now he's been put on the defensive. Counter on Walter.
Uh-oh. Talk about dismantling your opponent.
He's got him down. Is this it?
He's on the ropes and the ref wisely stops the count.
Big boy.
That's going to sting.
Oh, God. Ooh. Oh, to the back of the neck. What a lariat.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Being driven down. Oh, what a kick. Ooh.
Look at this power slam.
And into the count. Nice monkey flips.
for the simple kick out.
Fist drop. And Aichner with the wherewithal to count. Right in the breadbasket. Oh, saw it coming. Carefully. Oh, what a kick. Measured knee drop. Ooh. Boom. Did you hear that impact? Put it in the corner now. Not where you want to be right now.
Absolutely not.
Oh. I don't like the looks of this on the second row. Here's the cover.
You have to think this battle is starting to weigh down on him. Walter sidesteps that.
Elbow to the face.
Body onto the outside.
That is reckless abandon being shown.
And paying off as well.
No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Look at this.
Suplex brings him down.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
He could pin his opponent right here. It's over. A defiant kick out after one.
You expect these pins to last much longer at this stage in the match.
Elbow drop. Piercing. Got to find a way to get out of this. Oh, what a drop kick. He may be in a bad way here. Aichner's attack gets reversed. Caught with a punch. Oh, right in there. Slow with authority. Brain buster. That'll do some serious damage. Big right connects. Here's a cover. Could be it. Slam. And a kick out somehow at 2.5. Wow.
That sucked all the air out of this place. It looked like a done deal.
Alexander Wolf in control here. Uh-oh. Hold on a second. He might be finding a submission hold here.
Wolf might have gets to the ropes, and that's going to cause the ref to break the hold. Oh, that was close.
This match continues.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Walter denies the attack. Ooh, that'll leave a mark. Textbook side headlock takeover.
Attacking the arm.
Tremendous pressure on the head and neck. Vicious right forearm. Double underhook suplex. Trying to target the back of the neck here.
He went right into that turnbuckle.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in. The claw. Thought they had it won, but he makes the save. Simple but effective side headlock for the win. Rope break. Pin stops.
This is getting intense. Someone check on Saxton.
Impact to the back. Oh, jeez. Right for the torso. And that will hit him at the 3 count right here. This is it. And the cover for the win. Overhand connects. And he makes the save for his team. Shin breaker. Using a trampoline. On the move. Picking up speed. Oh, big.
There's some power behind that punch. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
This isn't the smartest thing to do. Antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. Carefully measuring. Bionic elbow. Uh-oh. Right to the knee.
Oh, boy. The sleeper is cinched in, and you can see little by little the opponent is fading.
He's in complete. Will be named in here. Here he goes for the win. Oh, kick connects. Looking first for Ware in the corner now. In full control here. Face first in the turnbuckle. Just muscling up their opponent into the gut wrench.
to the knee. Oh, he's got him in deep trouble here. Look out. Could this be it? Notice that will either wake you up or knock you out. Now will be coming. Will this be enough? 2, 3. He wins! He wins!
Here are your winners.
That's a big victory for these three here tonight.
Definitely a cause for celebration. What an impressive victory.